I think YouTube and social media and the internet has destroyed a lot of the PDR industry. You have to have someone standing over your shoulder and telling you why you did it wrong. You can't learn that from a video. I don't care who you are. I mean, you can be the smartest dude in the world, but if you don't have that guy saying, okay, you pushed a quarter of an inch this way when you should have pushed that way, you're not going to get that from a video. So we're combating all this digital world. And so that's why we're trying to reel it back, and we want you to come spend 10 weeks with us, because obviously 10 weeks is never enough. I mean, a year is not enough. So we tried to group it in to where we give you the basis of the best of what you need to build on. I've seen a couple of guys online, Facebook's fun for this, but camera angles are funny. Let me tell So I can tell when somebody fixes a dent good or doesn't fix a dent good because of the way they situate their light, and they show their before, and then they situate their light this way, and then you're not at the same angle as you were whenever you fix. So it's a horrible thing to have bad video because it does no justice. It's a facade. Let's just say there. So for me to be able to stand over your back and push your light back over there to where it should have been, and they're like, oh, okay, now I see it. You're not going to get that from YouTube, or anywhere. But that's really heavily what I practice is keep yourself true, keep your stuff straight, be loyal, and be truthful.